what's good? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be an interesting day if all goes to plan. Really going to do some quick maintenance on the truck, oil change, bolt check on the front suspension, make sure everything's still tight, and get it ready for a quick road trip. We're going to head down to Tampa today and get a little surprise. So, crazy story. It was whatever, I don't know. We'll see how the day goes first before we get into all this. Quick maintenance, we'll get that knocked out, get ready for a potential road trip, and see what the day has in store for us. So stay tuned. Well, the day is going as planned. We're taking a road trip down to Tampa to get us a new mystery machine. Backstory on this car, it used to be my neighbor in Colorado who also moved to Florida. It was his car. He ended up trading it for an LS430, which is sick, and the dealer, I guess, has sat on it for a couple months and just posted it up saying, you know, mechanic special, blah, blah, blah. But it's got clean black interior. It's a pretty desirable car for a great deal, and apparently there's been a lot of hits on it. So I called him, got him to hold it for me while I drove the 4 hours to come down and get it. We're about to be pulling up. Yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what this thing is. The new project. There is that fine establishment holding the new car. We here. Okay, we just got it loaded up. Here it is, the all-new 2020, or the all-new 2002 Lexus GS300. Clean body, a few bugs here and there, but that's fine. A couple little dinguses, but we're good. And best of all, black interior. Professional. Take care, Z. Yeah, folks here. Jade's Auto Sales helped me out in picking up the car, so thank you to Z. And yeah, we got ourselves a new project, boys. It runs, it drives, it drove onto the trailer. Needs some love, needs a battery, all these things, but I'll take it. So now we gotta start our trip home, and we'll really go over all the details of what's going on with it. And we're on our way back. I ended up stopping and hitting up my buddy whose car this GS300 was, and having some dinner and just chat for a bit, catching up. But I also got to learn a bit more about the car, kind of figure out what it needs and what all he's done to it. So it's actually been pretty well cared for, and it's what used to be his baby. So happy that it could go to somebody that he knows and someone will take care of it and make it into something sick. So yeah, I guess we'll just finish out the trip. It's getting dark. Holy shit. 10:30. Finally made it back. So we're gonna be a little sacrilegious and pull battery out of the coupe. Get the GS300 running momentarily. Get it off the trailer. I'm surprised you didn't say that, but I was wanting real bad. Normally you want to put the ramps down before you try to drive on the trailer.
That's why I have this look on my face. Like, maybe I definitely should have said something.
Never be too afraid to speak up and tell me how stupid I am. 228,000 miles.
Only.
Only.
Only. Okay.
Not terrible, right?
Oh, big jumba.
Not terrible. Well, it's the next day. I'm gonna check out the G. Show you it in a new light. Good light. So, here it is. Couple little dents and dings and imperfect things, but overall the body was pretty well cared for. The car, I guess, was well cared for. Tires on it have like 500 miles. A bunch of suspension stuff's been replaced and redone. Brakes were redone. Really just needs, you know, some cosmetics and all that. But the main reason why I drove so far for a cheap GS300 is right here. Black interior. So like, it ain't perfect, you know, armrests, the seats are kind of like, you know, they're about to start cracking. But dash is there, center console, the carpet, everything else, door panels. I mean, I literally have not cleaned it at all, so I'm about to go through and do that now. But it's exactly what I wanted. Cheap GS300, more or less shell. It does run and drive, obviously. As you saw last night, it fires right up. Has a slight misfire. He was saying it's due to coil pack wires and some other stuff. So I guess we'll probably try to mess with those and see if we can get it running right. If so, just daily it for a little bit until we decide to refresh the extra 1J W58. Probably throw that in here. Have a saucy 5-speed turbo GS. Oh look, got a quarter. Getting my money back already. Good return on investment. And then I guess we'll pop shooting up under the hood. And I guess in the trunk too. Sick. Yeah, trunk. So there, got some extra fluids and stuff. Got a spare. So that's nice. Got a bunch of fucking ants on this motherfucker. I don't know. But yeah, we'll show you the hood and then get it cleaned up. Need some tint for sure. I think the biggest flaw cosmetically is on this passenger fender. Got a little buckle here and a little buckle here, but he was saying like a ball joint failed and did the whole ka-chow thing and fucking, yeah, they replaced it all but never did the fender. Need some hood struts so it'll actually stay up, but 2JZ no shit. Real fucking crusty now that I look at it, my god. But overall the shell, I mean, yeah, it's dirty, but clean, you know? Nothing a little elbow grease can't fix. So let's give it some grease. Just got done cleaning the car. Thanks Rob's mom for the glasses. No, found these, found some money back. Vacuum the floors and stuff, you know. I still need to wipe stuff down, but already just looking much better, much less grimy, and got a bunch of trash everywhere. So I guess probably not gonna do it today because I just had some goodies show up for something else, but yeah, we'll get back to this car soon. But that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you feel about the new project. I'm super hyped for it. It's gonna be a good one. I may end up getting some goodies in it. Who knows? But I guess stay tuned for the next video. This is gonna be on the road, drivable, ready to rip, and getting ready for the drift event coming up here in about 2 weeks. So yeah, stay tuned for all that stuff, and don't forget to play in traffic.